Hey, what is up? It is Ron with Bold Bros Detailing, and we are back at it again with another detail. Today, it is a Cadillac Escalade. She wanted me to mainly focus on the carpet, so that's what I did. Got the carpets looking pretty new, got stripes in it, made it look awesome. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alrighty, so after I got those placemats looking real good, that was the end of it. Here are some before and after shots. Alrighty, that wraps up the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to check out any of the other videos, I got 2 more before this, and I will post future. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.